Hey, my name is Jared Donahue, and I'm the pre-construction coordinator here at Landmark. First, let me say congratulations on the purchase of your new home, and it's such an honor for us to build this for you. Your dream home, the home you're going to live in for years to come. When you first come into Landmark, you're going to meet me and go through your new home introduction. The new home introduction also includes meeting your selections coordinator, which will walk you through color selections, including tile, paint, anything you're going to do to customize your home. During the new home introduction, we'll go through many plan changes. You'll be able to tell me any kind of customization you want to make to your home. I know that you've seen our models and our specs and you fall in love with that house, but there's also things we know that you want to make changes with. We'll be able to move walls, we'll be able to add shiplap walls or changing the way that your fireplace looks. Anything you can think of during this time, I'll be able to help you to pick that or tell you if it's feasible with the construction process or if it's safe for us to build it that way. We'll go through your plans through floor plan, electric plan, and even the front elevation, so you can even help pick out what type of stone or board and batten or any kind of veneer that you want in the house. I can help you go through that process. Once we get finished with our plan review, I'll take your plans and make any changes that I need to make to the contract that you've already signed with the sales consultant, and we'll have a finalized product to send to the bank. At that point, you'll meet with me one more time in our pre-construction meeting, and that's when I'll introduce you to your superintendent who will be building your house and be in the field day in and day out, and you will be in the construction process and outside of the pre-construction process.